In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to fix system error 5 has occurred, access is denied when trying to type net user and net user administrator asterisk here in your command prompt or CMD. Now, without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to proceed here at the button search bar and type for CMD again. Once you've typed it, please wait until you would be able to see a best matched, which is a command prompt. Okay, so once the best match is here, you need to go with run as administrator. So one of the factor why you face an error is that you haven't run it as administrator. Instead, you have clicked on open. That's why you have faced an error. So it is very crucial when running the CMD. It is very important to run it as administrator in order for you to make any changes, in order for you to give permission on the command text that you are going to type in order for you to have an access in case you would be able to perform a relevant steps here in your CMD. So please go with run as administrator and your user account control would ask you to say yes, click on yes so that you can proceed. Okay. So here, please type again for net user. Once you've typed that, you need to click on the enter key and please type for net user space administrator space asterisk. Again, this net user administrator. Let me just edit this one since I have typed the wrong letter. Sorry for that. Administrator space asterisk. Administrator space asterisk. Click on the enter key, type the password for the user, retyped it, and there you have it, the command completed successfully. So you can now close the window and you're good to go. So if you think this video had helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day everyone.